Today I'm going to show you 5 clever ways that you can use to hang all your garments. It's going to be space saving, prevent piling and stretching, as well as some methods to keep the garments from falling off the hangers. So let's start out with a method that works great here. This will work for both shorts and pants, and actually for some skirts as well if they have belt loops up top. So what we want to do first of all here is just lay the shorts out flat with the front facing up. From here, we're going to fold it over in half from side to side like that. Make sure it's nice and flat. And then we're going to take our hanger here and we're going to pull the top of the shorts through the hanger. And we're going to pull all the way down till we meet about the bottom third of the shorts or so. From here, I'm going to fold down the shorts like this. And I'm going to fold them back up. And you see the belt loop, the middle back one? I'm going to pull it over the actual hook on the hanger like this. You can see. And from here, just lift it up, and you can make some adjustments to it if you want to. If you think it sticks too far down on bottom, lift it a little bit up. Obviously, it's going to look different on pants and skirts, but I figured, why not show you one more cool way that you can hang your pants? Next up, we're going to have a look at the Seville fold. This is awesome for your slacks, but it will work for any pants, really. It's another way that you can lock your pants in place so that they don't fall off. Also great for travel if you're bringing a suit, for example. So for this fold, we're actually going to start by laying the pants down with side facing up this time, so not the front. And from here, we're going to take the top leg and we're going to fold it all the way back as far as you can so that you expose the bottom of the crotch here. And then from here, we're going to take our hanger and we're going to take the leg that is at the bottom, so not the one we folded back. And we're going to pull it through the hanger like this, all the way up so that it meets the bottom here at the crotch area. So at this point, that leg is all the way in place. So we're going to start working on the other one. The other leg, you pull it back over the first leg and through the hanger. So this is going to lock that leg in place pretty much. So over, and then you fold it back underneath like that. And when you lift up your pants now, you can see they're not going anywhere. They're really locked in place nicely. But Tor, so much bottom stuff. Let's have a look at some tops as well. So sure, let's have a look at how you can hang your sweaters without starting to let them pile in the shoulders and prevent them from getting wrinkled and stretched out. So what you want to do here, first of all, is take your sweater. This is a cardigan, so I've buttoned it up all the way. And from here, I'm going to lift it up from the front all the way up like this. And I'm going to lay it back down and just even it out a little bit, make it nice and straight. So at this point, we're going to take our hanger and I'm going to place it down in the middle of the armpit pretty much. So from here, we're going to take the big part here, the thickest part, so the body of the sweater. I'm going to fold it all the way over the hanger like that. And then we're going to take the arm and we're going to fold that over all the way as well, like this. So it's important that you do the arm second so that you kind of lock the heaviest part in place. And then when you lift it up, you see, no more creasing or stretching on your sweaters. This works on most tops actually, but it's especially important for garments that are either prone to stretching, like knit sweaters, but also very heavy garments that tends to get like weighed down over time as they hang. So this is a great method that you can practice. And if you find these hanging techniques a little bit tricky to follow along with, I have actually created a cheat sheet on how to do these hanging techniques. I usually only give it to clients, but you know what? I'm going to give it to you for free if you want it. You can head over to organizing.tv/hanging and entirely free for you today. I'll add a link in the video description and pinned comments as well that you can tap if you want to. So back to the hanging. All right, let's have a look at another tops fold. So this is going to work excellently for your tank tops as well as camisoles and actually these dresses with very thin straps. The idea here is that you see these little indents that are on hangers. That's actually for hanging these garments on. So you can see these are very thin. So when we place them over here, instead of them just sliding directly off, they're actually going to hold on here because of these little indents. So what's cool now, if we put this down and we have one more garment that we want to hang up on the same hanger actually, we can take that and we can fold that over the same indent and we can lift it up. And there you have 2-in-1 on a single hanger. And it's not really in the way either because it's so easy to just unhook these underneath. So this is excellent. Not my dress, by the way. Just note that. All right. So the next trick I want to show you here is how to hang multiple garments onto the same hanger. So the reason that this is awesome is that, for example, if you have a set that you very frequently wear together, you can put all these garments together. So for example, if you have a suit, you can put the pants on and then put the jacket over. Or if you're like me and you have this outside winter-ish jacket and you have a scarf, just put the scarf over. It's excellent. It works very well, for example, these as well. So here you have a camisole and then you have a dress under. If you usually wear them together, it's so easy to just hook this over. That way it's ready. It's like a set ready to use. You can do this on most of your garments, especially since they usually hang on different areas. You could even combine these folding techniques and hang pants first and then, for example, your sweater over there. And if you really want to save space, there are other things you could do as well. Like these cascading hangers are pretty awesome for hanging like accessories over. I did a video on how to hang scarves on these a little bit back, I think. Also, you could consider investing in S-hooks. They're pretty cool as well for hanging. For example, you'd hang the hooks from the actual hanger itself, and that way you could hang accessories, for example, your purses, even scarves and other small items if you just want them to take up less space on your actual hanger. But I'm starting to ramble here, so I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this, you're definitely going to love this one on how to fold up all your clothes to save a bunch of space. And yeah, thanks for watching this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.